So welcome back everyone. This is episode 8. The last episode we combined episode 6 and 7 together because episode 6 would have been a very short video. Likewise, episode 7 also would have been a very short video. So that's why we had to combine two episodes together. So it will be noted there so we will know which is which. So in this episode now, we are going to be talking about widgets and sidebars and footers and any of these things. So what are widgets? When I mean widgets like WIDGET. You get so well sometimes I call them widgets, widgets. Well, does not matter. So far you understand the spelling, then you can give it any name you feel like giving it. So um what are these widgets we're talking about? What are they? What do they do? So these are just simple garnishing. Yeah, they are garnishing to on the blog or website you are trying to create. They are garnishes. So when you're trying to cook things, you would have to add Maggi, add salt, add all these things for you to make it seasonals. So to make it nice, look nice and things like that. So just the way you might want it. So you must have seen a blogs that will be having side. Um, you have the post. You have the main. This you have something they call sidebar like that. That you'll be seeing maybe recent posts. You'll be seeing latest posts. You'll be seeing trending posts and things like that on that same website. So sometimes it can be menus maybe on the footer end. So I'm just going to show us the front page of this website so that we'll see what I'm trying to say before we go back to the back end. So right now, this is the front page. So it's just showing us the latest post that we have here. And you can see that it's giving us third one, fourth one, like that, on and on, giving us the major post like that. So now when you look at the footer, you realize that you will see the comments we've made, the list of comments we've made on this particular post. You realize that we have recent posts here also. You realize that we have category. You realize that we have archives. You realize that we have search. You realize that we have meta. So all these things are very important. They play a very important role. So they are very important in the sense that these are our widgets. So in this team, so now let me just break something down to us. So some teams does not have some teams do not have sidebars. You understand? But they have footers. So in this case now, in this series, the team you are presently using is only has a footer. It does not have a sidebar. So we need to be careful of um uh, um so that you don't misquote me. That's what I'm trying to say. So whatever we do to the footer now can also be applied to the sidebar if you use a theme that has a sidebar. You understand? That's what I'm trying to say. So this is the footer that we have. So we need to do some adjustments here, maybe remove and add things. So so now we have that as you have said. Then let's now go back to our dashboard. Everything starts from the dashboard. So dashboard gives us everything we need to do. So here now we go to, so for us to be able to access the widget or the sidebar area, or we have to access the widget to use on the sidebar, we just go to appearance, we go to widget, then we click on widgets, then now you will see available widgets. So it can be, the list can be longer than this. You can see we have a lot of widgets here. Everything has its own. You can see it has where you want to put it. So you can see the list can be longer than this depending on the kind of theme you are using. So I won't be going into theme right now because we are not talking about theme. So these are the basic ones here that we have. That has audio, that has archives. So it means you can put an audio on the footer also. You can put an image on the footer. You can put metas on the footer. You can put diary on the footer. You can put a lot of things on the footer. Everything here you are seeing here can be placed on the footer. You understand? So what we presently have on the footer is, as you can see, search. So let's go back to it. You see your search. It says recent posts. You see your recent post here. It says recent comment. You see your recent comment here. Can you see that? Then it says meta here. You see your meta here. It says category. Then you see your category here. It says archives. You see your archives here. So you can see that. So I'm going to remove this archive now because, well, we don't really need it. It's not as if you are using this site for. We're going to change the whole look of this site as time goes on. But basically, this is what we are actually doing. So basically, this is what we're actually doing. So I'm going to reload this place now. You realize that we have removed the archives and it's gone. I'm going to remove the comment also because we don't want all the comments to be displaying. You can see you can number how many comments you want to display, but you don't even want it at all. So you're going to be removing that. Then when you check again, you realize that it's gone. So here now you only have the category and the search, the recent post, and the meta. The meta too should be gone because we don't want that. And that's that. So when you reload, you realize that it's gone. So in place of sidebar now, we have just two footers here. You understand? So if we have a sidebar too, the sidebar too can also be part of the footer, and everything will just be that way. But as we progress, I'm going to point some of these things out for us. So well, in the long run also, you might not even be needing the footer if you're using editors like Elementor, you're using editors like Visual Composer and things like that. You might end up not even using the footer at all. Sorry, you might end up not using the widget at all. Because I've done projects like that I didn't even touch the widget at all. I didn't even open it at all for once. So that's the funny thing. But it's very important for us to note that okay, we can add. So as we have removed that, we can also add. So for us to add, we can add calendar here. You know, we can label it calendar, or we can leave it like that. If we leave it like that, it's going to take this calendar as the title. But if you want to change it, you'll be like, okay, book an appointment. I don't know if my appointment is correct, but if it's not, well, that's not the point of this video. You can see we have the calendar here. So it's not like you can book an appointment. I just wrote it down out like that. So just for us to see. So I'm removing that because it's not appropriate there. If you want to put in the video like we did the other time, you can still do that. You can see add a video, then so you can do that to add a video. Just click on add and you have that. So save. When you save, just come here. Sorry, audio rather. Just come here and when it's completely loaded, you can see what we have here. So you can play our song. You can still play our song and we are good to go. So we can do a lot of things. If it's to be video also, just drag this. Or if you see that okay, it's out of view, you can just click on this. So you pick where you want to add it to. Add widget. So it's going to add it for you that way. So add video. We don't have any video to add. You understand? You can insert from URL also. Well, right now we don't have any video to add. So you're going to realize that we don't have that leverage of adding a YouTube video there. But there are ways to do it. I'm just going to show us one way of doing it now. Yes, there's something here they call custom HTML. So I'm just going to say video or title. Yeah, title should be video. Then I'm going to go to vtbusinessportal.com again to copy that video that we that we used the other time, copy embed code. Of course, it has to be embedded. So just paste it here. You don't need to know how it works right now because we are not going into that. So just click on reload again. Then you are going to have your video here, as you can see. So the video is at the footer also, right? I think that's done for the sidebar and the widget. One last thing also is that you can add your pages, you can add your menu. Sorry, you can add your pages rather, not menu now. So you can add that, then you can have it that way. So then can you see that you have that also? So you are good to go. You are good to go with this. Thank you very much for staying with us on this. Kindly subscribe to encourage us. Kindly, please, 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 please subscribe to encourage us. It's very important to us. You are great. You're awesome. These are skills that you're going to be needing. These are skills. We just endure that. We just employ that you watch the series to the end, so that you can be able to set yourself up as a freelancer, or you can even work in an IT company to help them develop their website and things like that. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Like I said, drop any comment if you have any question, and we will answer you appropriately.